वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। SRM JEE काउंसलिंग ऑफिशियली लाइव हो चुकी है एंड आई नो आप थोड़ा बहुत नर्वस हैं because it's about making one of the biggest decision for your own future. So choosing your campus, your engineering branch, your home for the next 4 years थोड़ा सा नर्वस होना बनता है, isn't it? हाँ जी, लेकिन आप चिंता मत कीजिए, your राखी मैम has done little research for you और इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो में we will dive deep into all the 8 campuses that accept the SRM JEE scores. So we'll cover their unique strengths, उनकी locations, key placement के insights, everything you and your parents need to know to make a informed decision. So let's find your perfect fit. Before we go campus by campus, it's important to understand the SRM structure basically. So there are primarily 2 categories. ठीक है? SRM IST stands for SRM Institute of Science and Technology और ये एक डीम्ड यूनिवर्सिटी है। इसका जो मेन कैंपस है इट इज एट काटनकुलाथुर एंड अदर कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट कैंपसेस जो शेयर करते हैं सेम डीम्ड यूनिवर्सिटी स्टेटस को। देन वी हैव SRM सिस्टर यूनिवर्सिटीज. So these are separate state private universities like SRM Amravati, Sonipat and Sikkim. ये सारी जो यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं they actually accept the SRM JEE scores basically. We need to understand this difference which is a very key point. So let's begin our detailed tour with the flagship SRM IST campuses. सबसे पहला काटनकुलाथुर KTR Chennai. It's the flagship campus located on the outskirts of the Chennai. ये SRM का सबसे लार्जेस्ट और मोस्ट एस्टैब्लिश्ड कैंपस है एंड इट्स रिनाउंड फॉर इट्स वास्ट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, strong research focus, numerous international collaborations, and wide array of BTech branches that includes highly specialized computer science fields like AI, machine learning, data science, and cybersecurity. KTR जो placements देता है that's awesome and excellent. The highest package can soar up to 40 to 50 lakhs per annum for the top talents in the specialized roles. Average package typically range करता है between 6 to 8 LPA. So a large number of companies recruit from here offering diverse opportunities. Second campus है Ramapuram campus. It is conveniently located within the Chennai city. इसीलिए जो रामापुरम कैंपस है इट ऑफर्स द अर्बन एडवांटेज मेकिंग इट हाईली कन्वीनियंट फॉर दोज स्टूडेंट्स सीकिंग सिटी एमिनिटीज और दे आर लिविंग लोकली. सो इट्स नॉन फॉर इट्स डिसिप्लिन एकेडमिक स्ट्रक्चर एंड फोकस करिकुलम. Talking about the placements, very good, especially if I talk about IT roles. Average package जो होगा it will be usually ranging between 4 to 6 lakhs per annum. If I talk about the amenities, expect modern labs, good hostel facilities, and yes, the proximity to Chennai's industrial and IT hubs. So this is best for those students who seek a balance of urban life and academics. Talking about the third campus, Vadapalani campus, Chennai. It is located within Chennai only. If I just talk about this particular campus, it provides a good learning environment along with SRM's brand and city advantage. Placements are comparable to the Ramapuram campus with good placement rates, particularly if I talk about the core engineering and IT roles. So aspirants can expect modern infrastructure, well-maintained facilities and excellent connectivity with the city. So ये जो campus it is best for those students who are looking for a focused engineering experience in a city, having slightly lower cutoffs but still maintaining the quality of learning. Talking about the fourth campus, Ghaziabad campus, NCR Delhi, Uttar Pradesh. So it's been located in the National Capital Region near Delhi. So it offers quality engineering educations with the strategic advantage of being in the NCR. Basically, it provides the excellent industry exposure, internship opportunities for those who are looking in the north basically. So it offers strong regional placement, attracting companies from Delhi NCR. Average package range इसका generally 4 to 6 LPA रहता है. It's best for those students who belong from North India and who want quality SRM education closer to home. ठीक है. Talking about the fifth campus, Tiruchirappalli Trichy campus, Tamil Nadu, that is situated in Tiruchirappalli, a city in the central Tamil Nadu. So it's a developing campus under SRM IST. It aims to provide quality engineering education to the students from the central Tamil Nadu region. So it's growing in infrastructure as well as in faculties. So ये एक नया campus है and it's still establishing, but the SRM brand ensures the good initial opportunities. So we need to focus over here on the core engineering roles. Talking about SRM University, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh, is actually located in Amravati, so the capital of Andhra Pradesh. SRM AP, it's truly a next generation campus. It's renowned for its ultra modern infrastructure and significant collaboration with the top notch global institutions like MIT and UC Berkeley. Placements के बारे में बात करें, ये campus नया है, but still SRMAP has demonstrated impressive placement trends with highest package soaring up to 45 to 50 lakhs. Healthy average package होगा 6 to 7 LPA का, particularly in the emerging tech branches. So SRMAP जो है, it's actually best for those students who are looking for a cutting edge, research oriented and globally exposed academic experience with a vibrant campus life. Talking about the second university, SRM University Sonipat, जो हरियाणा में है, located within the Rajiv Gandhi Education City. Sonipat जो है, it is in the National Capital Region only. Location provides good industry connection placements. ठीक है, placements के बारे में अगर मैं बात करती हूँ, तो average packages are typically in the range of 3.5 to 5 LPA. It's best for the students in North India seeking a good industry exposure in NCR. Talking about the third university, SRM University Sikkim, located in Gangtok, Sikkim. So it offers basically a unique academic experience in the serene Himalayan landscape. Okay, so basically it focuses on providing quality education. It's actually good for those students who belong from the northeastern region. Placements के बारे में अगर मैं बात करती हूँ, it do have the opportunities in the local industries of the northeastern region. Best जैसे मैंने बताया for those students जो northeast को belong करते हैं. So kindly, I just want to say in nutshell that you have 8 fantastic options under the SRM umbrella. So when you are making the choices during the counseling, you need to consider your rank, okay? Also consider the location preference, okay? Talking about the third thing which you need to consider is the branch interest. Fine, because I just want to say don't just follow the trends. Research the curriculum, career prospects of each branch, and most importantly the interest of the aspirant. Also the future goals. Fine, कि particular college आपको क्या career and academic growth दे सकता है. You need to remember the best campus is one of that's best for you. Do you do your own deep research, speak to alumni if possible, and most importantly, fill your choices wisely. So if you have any specific questions about a campus or you need help strategizing your choices, drop them in the comment below. Our team shall try to address your questions and help you find the options best suited for you. Also, if you want to have one-on-one counseling, please do join our Careers 360 team for the counseling purpose. They will be actually guiding you the best. So all the very best with your counseling. Bye-bye and take care.